Alright, well, this has got to be a first, huh? 3 videos in one day. So, I just got my Extremis product. Half off, by the way. It comes in a nice little carrying sack. And this is the Carabiner Multi-Tool. So, it's got a little instruction packet. I don't know why I can't spell carabiner, but I can't. And this, will show, ooh, evidently it's perforated. So it shows you how you can, the many ways you can go ahead and attach a paracord. Then it'll also show you its features right there. Can you see it? There you go. All right. So, for $7.50, this is half price of $15 for 2. Get a little sack, and you get 2. And I got the chartreuse. Woohoo! So I can't lose them. Made out of nice gauge stainless steel. Feels good. You can see all the things on it. See the different wrenches here? You got the different wrenches. Wrench here. Bottle opener here. Got a flathead screwdriver here. And a small Phillips, which is great, by the way, because my Hydra Wave uses a Phillips to change the 9-volt. So this is perfect for that. And then this little serrated area here is what you put your paracord into. And of course, you've got your spring clip. And this right here is like a saw. It's a saw. So you can saw things. So you get 2 of these. 2. Now it's perfect because what I'm going to use these for, I'm going to go out there in a minute after I'm done with this. And this I'm going to use for my anchoring system, which is really nice because it's going to be on paracord with my my anchor, and I can just go ahead and cinch it here in order to anchor me down on the lake, and it'll be really nice. So, really cool, guys. I mean, this is a very practical multi-tool. I mean, you got the screwdrivers, you've got your wrenches, you've got your carabiner, and you've got your cinch for your paracord. I mean, that's pretty cool. So I would suggest you go to Amazon and buy these. These are Extremis. Okay. Extremis Carabiner. Extremis Carabiners. Half off right now. $7.50 for 2 of these things. So give it a shot. You'll like it. I think we're going to love it. So take care, guys.